Going from that to that is crazy. Oh, they look so good. So good. What's good? It's your boy Chevy back with another video. What I got popping today, and I am super excited to show you guys, is we got to do some work to Shorty's RAV4. She has no idea that your boy is doing this today. I'm super excited to get this onto her car. So let me tell you guys what we're doing today. Now, looking at her wheels here, she's always wanted her wheels to be blacked out, right? That's just always been a thing she's always wanted on this car. We were actually gonna take this thing and get it powder coated. However, I saw something really cool when I was browsing through some RAV4 sites. So let me show you guys what I picked up. These bad boys right here. Now, these should go right over the wheels she has. They almost remind me of like hubcaps because they're pretty much almost like hubcaps, but these should be much better. Let's see. What you do have to do though, is you have to take your wheel off, pop out the center cap, put these on, put the center cap on the inside of these. So, you know we gotta get busy. Let's start lifting this thing up. Perfect. Now we just need it lifted off of the ground just a little bit so we can actually get this wheel off. But what I'm actually gonna do is lift this thing up, put it on jack stands, and do a rotation for the car. So what I've done is I've lifted the car up now, so the front wheel's off, the rear wheel's off the ground too, just a bit. So that way I can start moving some of these wheels around. Grab our good old handy. Pop this bad boy off. Let's get that wheel right here. We're gonna get this center cap out of there. Grab our new piece or cover. Set that down in there, line up the valve stem cap. Bro, that looks good. Hold on. Let's get that in there. Hold on. Bro, that looks just like it's black. That's crazy. Hopefully, hold on, let me put it down so you guys can see this up close. Bro, the wheel look like you got a black wheel now. That's crazy. Going from that to that is crazy. That actually looks really good. I wasn't sure what that was gonna look like because, you know, it's still silver on the inside of the wheel, but when you're just cruising and rolling, you're not looking at the inside of the wheel. That actually looks really good. Let me go ahead and bust out this rotation real quick. Just to tell you guys what I'm doing for the rotation. I am taking the rear wheels, going straight up front with them, taking the front wheels, crossing them to the rear. So that way we get a nice good rotation on these wheels for the all-wheel drive. This is the typical method people do. Some people cross both ways. What I like to do is just take the rears, go straight forward with them, take the fronts, cross them to the rear. That way we got a nice rotation, even wear on the tires. All right, so something that I noticed, you want to put the wheel on without the hubcap or the center cap in there first, because these holes right here are too small for me to get my socket down into there. So you want to put this on after you put the wheel back on. Just something for you guys to know if you put one of these on your car. All right, let's go ahead and fasten this thing down. And then I'm going to wait to actually put the covers on after I torque this down with my torque wrench. Now this is going to the rear of the other side. All right, that wheel is on now back there. Let's take this rear wheel off, move it up front. I highly recommend, if you don't have one of these, get one. It's so easy to use. So now I got 1, 2, 3 wheels on. Just gotta put that rear one on and we are all set. Let's let this side down. And we go let the other side down. All right, let's go ahead and torque these bad boys down. 76 foot-pounds is what we set to. Let's pop this bad boy in here. Perfect. Just like that. Let's do another. Bro, these look so good. I gotta take her car to get washed real quick. We're gonna go ahead and wash it. We're gonna go ahead and vacuum it out, get it nice and ready for her so she can see the final reveal of what these look like. Oh, they look so good. So good. Let me go ahead and clean this thing up, and then I'll give you guys that final reveal, because man, it completely transformed the way the car looks. You know, there's a couple things I think people will really enjoy this for. One, if you want to go black on the wheels, but you're not sure what it's going to look like fully, perfect for that. Perfect for that. Or two, you think you're going to sell it in the future, in the near time future, and you don't want to have black wheels and people being like, the wheels weren't normally black, why are they black now, things like that. You want to avoid all those questions. You can pop these on. When you go to sell it, pop them right off, and you're back to the stock wheels again. Perfect for that. Let's go ahead and clean this thing up. All right, so I took it through this quick little car wash over here at this one spot, but they got these vacuums you get to use, bro. If you guys don't know, we are in full winter effect here. So I gotta put up the pressure washer, all that right now, so the lines don't freeze, things like that. It is noisy here, but so right now it's 29 degrees out right now. It is freezing cold. Your boy was doing this in the freezing cold. That shows you how much I love shorty. So let's go ahead and get this thing vacuumed out for her, because you guys remember when I changed out those floor mats, some things was dusty. Super dusty. Car's all cleaned up, all vacuumed out. Let me show you guys the vacuum out portion real quick. Let me just show you guys real quick here in the rear, because I know that thing was super messy. Bang, underneath the floor mat. It's not perfect, 100%, but much cleaner than it was before. Now time for the B-roll. Check this out. All right, so tell me what you guys think. Honestly, I think they look perfect. I think they're great for, like I said before, if you want to see what gloss black wheels look like, but I was thinking about it a bit more. Yo, you could actually get these covers, paint them completely different colors, and switch up your style on your wheels without messing up your normal wheels. That is key. I wish they made these things for my wheels, because I'll probably throw them on, because I want to see, like, what does my car look like with gloss black wheels? What does it look like with chrome wheels, right? Because they got chrome spray paint, all that out there. You can actually test that out without actually having to put it on your wheels. You know, it reminds me of like when people used to plastic dip their wheels. If you ever did that back in the days, it's a pain to get it off, right? You could do that on these, and then when you want to take it off, man, pop them things off of there and you're all set to go. But the best part is they look just like your official wheels. You know what I'm saying? Just like them. Don't leave yet, because we got to get her reaction to these wheels. I'm hoping she loves them. I'll hit you guys up when we get the reaction. All right, gang, so Shawty is on her way back home now. It is now later in the day. She's leaving from work right now. Your boy works from home today, so she's on her way here. I told her to let me know when she's on her way home, so that way she could see what this looks like, and I want to get her actual first impressions when she sees this thing. I can't wait, bro. It is so cold. Winter time. If you didn't know, you're probably like, yo, what is she driving right now? Is she in the BMW? Like, nah, she in the truck. The truck normally is parked right there. She's in the truck right now for today. So Shawty been big body whipping it today. So let's see what her reaction is as soon as she gets home. Wait, let's see her reaction right now. She's just pulling up in the truck. Yo, that truck looks good. Hold on, bro. Your boy got a fly truck too. Here she is pulling up. I guess she parking right there. It's all good. What it do, baby boo?
Hi.
Hey. What's up, man?
Hi, Daddy.
Hey, bud. Here it again. Let's see what you think. Did something to the car today.
Oh my God.
What do you think?
I love it.
Yeah?
Yeah.
It looks good?
It looks really good. Oh my God, it's amazing.
Yeah? It looks good with the black, right?
Yeah.
You wouldn't even know unless you were like,
you can't tell that they're covers.
unless you were like looking for it, you can't tell.
No, it looks great. And see, this is black too, so it looks all right.
Yeah.
They're sturdy.
Yeah.
Oh my God, it's so nice. Oh, my black theme. I love it. Oh, it looks really good.
It looks really good.
It looks like a different car.
Right?
Oh, I love it. Thank you.
Mwah. So you like it?
Yes, I love it.
All right. I also got the car washed.
I know, it looks good.
And vacuumed out earlier.
You
so,
did?
Yeah. So anyways, it's your boy Chevy. We signing out with another video. I'm always showing love to Shawty. You know how that goes. Make sure to hit that like button, hit that subscribe button down below, and I'll make sure I put the link down there for these wheel covers down there for you guys as well. So
nice.
all right, I'll catch you in the next video. Peace.
Okay, okay. What's up? I've been on a paper chase for months. I've been on a marathon for months. All in all, I can't just get enough, like